Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ornj token. Now this is a BRC20 token that is getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow, January 31st. We're going to go over the information on the Ornj token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box, and let's get into this token here. So you can find their official webpage at ornjcrypto.com. Over there you can also find a full white paper and their socials. Now, excuse me, ticker symbol is ORNJ. This is a BRC20 token, and there is a max total supply of 100 million tokens. Now, how the token is split up, 25% of the tokens went to seed sale. We got 15% going to public launch pads, 25% liquidity, 20% marketing, 15% team. Now, if you want to skip right to their white paper, you can go to docs.ornjcrypto.com. Now, this token is getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow. I'll just name a couple here. They are being listed on Bitmart, exactly January 31st at 12 o'clock UTC time. They are being listed on Gate. So the Gate listing will be happening January 31st, 12 o'clock UTC time, and the same time for Mexc Global. So there's probably more as well, but those are 3 right off the bat. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have, say, an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Ornj, or sorry, not search Ornj, search the ticker symbol ORNJ. It might pop up if you search Ornj, but search the ticker symbol ORNJ, and then simply just buy the token. Now, there's also a Kickstarter event on Mexc Global going on prior to this listing, and you can find the information on that on Mexc's Twitter at Mexc_official. And you can get involved with the Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens to win some USDT, part of a reward pool. So check that out as well. Gate also has an event prior to this, a startup event. And yeah, so they have all different features here. They even have an Ornj wallet. So Ornj, the Ornj is a decentralized finance ecosystem of products to help you access and manage your Bitcoin, BRC20, stacks, and ordinal NFTs. The Ornj ecosystem is powered by the Ornj token. So it's a utility token basically for the whole ecosystem. They have the wallet. So Ornj Wallet is a software wallet and a browser extension that helps you access and manage your Bitcoin, BRC20 stacks, and ordinal NFTs. Ornj is integrated with the Ornj Assistant and artificial intelligence for quick access to information and insights regarding the entire crypto industry. Besides being easy to use, the Ornj is completely decentralized, non-custodial, and anonymous. It is your gateway to access the Bitcoin blockchain with no involvement from any third party. Only you have access to your private keys. Your Bitcoin is stored on the blockchain and no personal information is ever collected in a decentralized application. The Ornj wallet supports storing multiple protocols, including BRC20, Ordinals stacks, and the native Bitcoin protocol. They also have the Ornj Swap. So Ornj Swap is a non-custodial decentralized exchange that helps you easily swap between Bitcoin, BRC20, stacks, and ordinal NFTs. The Ornj Assistant is a large language model-based chatbot assistant that uses artificial intelligence to help provide quick access to information, insights, and answers regarding the entire crypto industry. Now, they also have a pitch deck that you could review as well. So there's governance involved here as well. So it says here they have the Ornj Wallet beta version is available now. So the Ornj Wallet extension package and instructions for installation are on their document section. If you want to actually install the wallet, they have the requirements like Google Chrome, Ornj Wallet beta build, the testnet BTC tokens, obtain free test BTC from the faucets below. They have a faucet on their page, and also stacks STX tokens. You could obtain those from the wallet as well. They talk about installing, creating a new wallet, restoring an existing wallet, navigating the Ornj wallet, sending, receiving, and swapping. Now, Ornj Crypto is a community-owned, decentralized, autonomous organization. Released source code is made available on the Ornj Labs GitHub for community review, testing, and use. Technical community members can review the code and suggest improvements through pull requests in our public repositories using guideline instructions. Ornj Lab empowers its community of holders to create and vote on governance proposals. Any holder can propose and vote on topics related to the Ornj Crypto community protocol or technology. Now, it's a BRC20 token, and they show you step-by-step how to add the Ornj token to the Ornj wallet if you want to do that as well. And so the utility for the token is governance. You also get platform fee discount, so Ornj token holders will experience reduced fees and unlock a greater value across all Ornj products, whether you're buying, swapping, or exploring other DeFi services in the Ornj ecosystem, and rewards. So Ornj token holders are eligible to receive passive token rewards for active participation, staking, and contributing to the platform growth. So go check this token out. It's getting a whole bunch of brand new central exchange listings starting tomorrow. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.